Hello, today we will guide you through how to disable aggressive Zoom noise suppression, fix music instrument audio issues. If Zoom is cutting out parts of your instrument, soft notes, or dynamic range, the issue is often caused by audio processing settings that are designed for speech, not music. In this walkthrough, we'll adjust the microphone settings so Zoom captures your sound more naturally. Start by opening the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you're in the main Zoom window before continuing, since the settings we need are found inside the desktop application. Once Zoom is open, go to the top right corner and click on your profile account icon. This opens the account menu where you can access your personal app settings. If your screen looks slightly different, that's normal, since Zoom's layout can vary a bit between versions. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the Settings panel where Zoom keeps its controls for video, audio, and other meeting features. We'll be working specifically in the audio section. Next, click on Audio in the Settings sidebar. This area controls how Zoom handles your microphone and speaker input. For musicians, this is especially important because the default setup often prioritizes background noise removal and voice clarity, which can interfere with instruments. Now scroll down until you find microphone mode. Take your time here since this option may be lower in the audio settings window. This is the setting that determines how Zoom processes incoming sound from your microphone. When you find it, click on Original Sound for Musicians. This tells Zoom to reduce the aggressive voice focus filtering that can make music sound compressed, uneven, or partially muted. It's one of the most important changes when you want a cleaner and more accurate instrument signal. After that, click on High Fidelity. This improves the quality of the audio being transmitted, which can help preserve more detail and texture in your instrument sound. It's especially useful for acoustic instruments, vocals, and any performance where clarity matters. Once these settings are enabled, Zoom should do a much better job of capturing musical audio instead of treating it like background noise. If you're testing your setup, it's a good idea to play a few loud and quiet passages to confirm the sound is coming through consistently. That's it. You've now adjusted Zoom to better handle music and instrument audio by disabling the more aggressive suppression behavior and enabling higher quality sound settings.